Hey guys, today let's learn how to use visual lookup on iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and use this new feature called visual lookup, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to basically do once we're on here is to go ahead and launch your Photos application and choose a specific photo. So you want to go ahead and launch this photo in full screen. So right now I can't necessarily show you guys that since I am experiencing some bugs with my screen recording options, but basically I can teach you guys step by step how to do this. So please just listen to this video and watch it until the end. Alright guys, so once you've already chosen your photo, basically I've chosen this photo right here. I want you guys to proceed with opening this photo in full screen. So basically you need to go ahead and tap on this photo, and what you need to go on here is to tap on the starred info button. Now once you're already on the starred info button, basically what that is going to look like is something like this. So as you see, I've already tapped on my starred info button right here, and basically the info button is going to look like this option right here once you launch the specific photo in full screen. And once you tap on that, you're going to see this option to basically select the visual lookup. Now as you see, we already have one over here, and it says to look up food, since that is what the iPhone algorithm or AI system detects on this photo. So as you see, you could actually tap on this visual lookup option and also look up the results that will show from this photo. But that is how you guys could use visual lookup on iOS 17. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.